Today we're going to be looking at a hole command using Inventor. This is Project C in your reference manual. So again, when we start any new project, we're going to go to a new part. So part file. And we're again start 2D sketch on the XY plane. Now we're going to use a hole command today. So there's 3 holes in this block. So the first thing we want to do is draw our block. And since it's a rectangle, I'm just going to draw a rectangular shape. I'm going to right click and I can dimension here. I can go up to the top and dimension. And this block is 2 inches. So click on the line, type in a 2, zoom out using the front command. And if you click on this line, come over, type 1. It's 2 by 1. Okay, now this is all we need to do right now. We have to put the holes in, but we'll do that with the hole command. So I'm going to finish sketch. Hit the house button to zoom into the isometric view, and I'm going to extrude this for its depth, which is at 0.25 or 1/4 inch. Okay, now once I have this, the holes are going to go through the front, so I'm going to click on the front view, and up here is the hole command. Now when we locate the hole, when we click this, you're going to notice that we're going to be in a linear placement. We have to locate anything that has an orange arrow. We have to locate. So we have to locate the face, or where we're going to draw it, and we got to reference the center point of the circle. So there's going to be a reference 1 and a reference 2, and then we're going to need to give it how far it's going to go through and how wide it is, and also the termination. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to move this out of the way, and now that this is blue, so that means I want to select the face. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to do the upper left one. So I've got the hole there, and you'll notice that it changed to the reference 1. That's how far it is from one edge. So if I move over here, if I click this line, and the edge, the distance from the left edge in is 0.2. Now don't hit enter at this point, because if you do, it's going to go away. Now let's just say you hit enter accidentally. What's going to happen is you don't have the size of this and you don't have the reference point. So if I go over into the browser where it's hole 1 and I double click that, I get my box back, and then I'm going to have to reselect the reference 2. I'm going to click the top, and that also is 0.2. Don't hit enter. And then what I need to do is give it its distance. I'm going to have this go all the way through, so it goes through all. And the diameter of the hole is 0.25. So that's what it is right now, and I click OK. If I go back to hole again, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I click the face, click the side, 0.2. Click the bottom line, it's 0.2 from the bottom, and then I need to change this to through all, and the diameter is 0.25. Now I could hit OK and it will put the hole there, or if I hit apply, since I have to do another hole, that'll keep me in the same command. This could be the center hole, so I'm going to click there. The distance from the top is 0.5. Distance from the left side, click that left line, and that's going to be 1. The diameter of the hole is 0.5, and it goes through all. Now this is the last hole I need, so I'm just going to click OK. If I rotate it, you can see that I have all 3 holes, and at this point again you're going to save it to your class folder, class CMW. Yours will actually say class CMW, not class and then CMW. Try to whatever your hour is, and then change this to C. And hit save. Okay, and then you're all done with Project C.